Hello, welcome to Maths with Nile. Today we're doing place value.
Hi Nile, we have a place value table behind you. Can you go through the headings of each column?
Units or ones, you can say for tens, hundreds and thousands.
Okay, and this helps us to order our numbers and know the value of each number.
Yeah.
So let's look at the first number. Can you explain each number and its value?
5 tens, that's equal to 50. 2 hundreds, that's equal to 200. And 6 ones, that is equal to 6.
Okay, so if somebody was confused, how can they use that to help them say what the value was?
They could look up at the top, and then they would know where each one goes.
What value the unit has.
Yeah.
Okay, so how would you say that number?
256.
256. There's another number underneath. Can you tell me the value of the 3 in that number?
300.
Can you point at how you know, just to help everyone at home?
Up here is 100.
300. And can you tell me the value of the 2 in that second number? We're in the second number.
Oh, the units.
2 units. Okay.
Yeah.
So how would you say that second number?
7,342.
7,342.
Yes.
And what about the third number? How would you say that?
9,810.
9,810. Very good. So let's compare those 3 numbers there. Which of those 3 numbers have the most tens? You can point it out and then explain.
This top one, because it has 5 tens, this has 4 tens, and this has 1 10.
Okay, good. And 5 tens is equal to?
50.
And 4 tens is equal to?
40.
Okay, good. Which of those numbers have the least amount of hundreds?
This one, the top one again,
How many hundreds?
200.
And the other 2?
300 and 800.
800. Which one of those numbers have the most amount of thousands?
Oh, it can't be this one. This doesn't have any thousands.
So how many thousands does that first number have?
0.
0, no thousands. And which one has the most number of thousands?
This last one.
Okay, 9 thousands compared to 7 or 0. Very good. Can you grab 4 random numbers there as quickly as you can? And can you put it underneath the table together and make a number? Underneath the table. So 8.
8, 5, and 3.
Did I say 3 numbers? Can you do one more? Grab another one.
6.
Okay. Change that 6 because it's not coming up good on the camera. Just get a brighter number for us.
Okay.
Anyone, quickly.
6.
Okay. What is that number?
8,536.
Okay. How can you explain to someone looking at home how to figure out how to say that number using the table that we've done?
So they could put this 8 here, and they could put this 5 here, and they could put this 3 here, and they could put this 6 here.
Good. And can you say the number again, but pointing to the heading as well, so they know how easy it is to read it from the table? So point to the 8 first.
8,536.
Okay, good.
Because 8 thousands 5 hundredths, and 3 tenths, and 6.
Okay, bring the number back down and let's discuss that number a bit more. 8536. Okay, stand to the side so we can have a look. Okay, so how many hundreds does that number have?
5.
5 hundreds. If it had 2 hundreds more, what number would it be?
8,736.
Okay, good. Because you would add 2 to the hundreds.
Yeah.
Okay. If there were 3 thousands less, what number would it be? Which one's the thousands?
This one. It would be 5,536.
Okay, good. Say that again a bit louder. So if it had 3 thousands less, can you explain what you've done and the answer?
5,536.
So how did you work that out?
Because 4 plus 4 equals 8. We were taking away 3, so I just added on 1 to take away.
I completely understand, but that's a much too complicated way to say on camera. So what if it's 3 thousands less, what do we do?
We just count back 3.
You just take away 3. So 8 take away 3 is?
8,
7.
8, 7, 6, 5.
5, okay. So 5,536.
Yeah.
Okay, let's shuffle those numbers around and make a new number. Okay, great. What number is that?
3,658.
How many ones or units does that number have?
8.
What would be the number if it had one more unit?
It would have
If it had one more unit,
9 units.
it would be 9 units. And what would the full number be?
3,659.
3,659. How many, what is the value of the 5 in that number?
10.
What's the value of the 5?
The value of the 5 is 10.
5 tens. So you need to say it's 5 tens, okay? And 5 tens is equal to?
50.
50. And what's the value of the 6?
Hundreds.
But you need to say 6 hundreds. And what's the value of the 3?
3,000.
3,000s. Good. Make another number next to that. So take 4 other numbers. Quickly. Right, and arrange them underneath that one. Quickly now. Ooh, you've got a double 5 there.
1,255.
1,255. Which one of those two numbers is bigger?
This one and this one.
No, between the 3,658 and 1,255. Which one's bigger?
This one.
Why?
Because it has 3,000.
And the other one only has?
1.
Okay, 1,000. So answer these questions, right? Think about what I'm asking you. What is the value of the 2 in that number that you've just put on the board?
100.
What is the value of the
200.
200s, good. And what is the value of the 1?
1,000.
1,000s. Okay, which number has the most units?
This one, because it has 8 units, and this one has 5 units.
Okay, very good. Okay, now I want us to finish off with one question. I want you to make a number, put a number on the board that has 8 tens,
Okay.
2 units,
2 units.
5 hundreds.
We don't have any more 2s left.
You can grab one from the table on top. 8 tens, 2 units, 5 hundreds.
500. We're starting to run out of.
Just grab one of those, that's fine. And 3 thousands.
And 3,000. Okay.
So I'll call it out for you again. You can put this number to the side. It has 8 tens.
8 tens.
2 units.
2 units.
5 hundreds.
500 and
3 thousands. Okay, I'm going to go through it one more time. You just make sure everything is in place.
Yes.
Does it have 8 tens?
Yes.
2 units?
Yes.
5 hundreds?
Yes.
And
3,000.
And what number is that?
3,582.
Excellent. And what's the value of the 8 in that number?
Tens. 8 tens.
8 tens, which is also equal to
80.
80. Good job. That comes to the end of the lesson.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed our video, and if you did, subscribe now. Bye.